Hi, I'm St. Lucie County Property Appraiser Michelle Franklin. Today we're going to be talking about the trim notice. You may not recognize that name, but if you're a property owner in St. Lucie County, you will receive a notice annually, and it has important information. Understanding the notice can be a bit difficult, so I'll walk you through it. TRIM stands for the Truth in Millage and keeps property owners informed about local tax rates and how they're calculated. It is not a bill. This is a notice that shows the taxable value of your property, exemptions applied, and how much you can expect to pay in property taxes. The first page of the notice starts with some general information regarding your property: who owns it, where it's located, and the parcel ID number. Below this is a big table showing the various taxing authorities that your taxes are funding, such as public schools and water management. Column 1, highlighted in orange, shows values as they were applied last year, based on previous year budgets and previous taxable value of your property. This is for your comparison purposes only. Column 2, highlighted in pink, shows what your taxes could be this year if each taxing authority chooses to generate the same amount of property tax revenue which was approved for the prior year. These rates and resulting taxes are based off last year's budgets and your current property assessment. Column 3, highlighted in green, shows the proposed rate and total taxes if each taxing authority adopts their proposed rate. These amounts are not set in stone, as the proposed rate may change after public hearings. Dates, times, and contact numbers for these public hearings are advertised in the next column. If you have any questions, concerns, or wish to discuss the amount or use of taxes, I strongly encourage you to attend the hearings or contact your local taxing authority. The next item on this page is another table covering non-ad valorem assessments, meaning assessments that are fee-based. These assessments are for services and can include, but are not limited to, stormwater, streetlights, and solid waste collection. At the bottom of this page, you will see a table with boxes comparing last year's total ad valorem and non-ad valorem assessments compared to this year's proposed total. If you have any questions or concerns with the proposed taxes presented on page 1, please contact the appropriate authority via the contact information in the public hearing section. Page 2 shows the market value of your property for both the prior year and the current year, highlighted in yellow. Keep in mind that this is the value of your property as of January 1 and for tax purposes only. Below this is another table that shows the various taxing authorities, the assessed value of the property from the previous year and the current year, exemptions from the previous year, and taxable value from the previous year and the current year. Next, you will see any assessment reductions highlighted in purple. Listed here are the values of any assessment reductions, such as agricultural classification and your 3% or 10% capped benefit. If you applied and received a Save Our Homes Cap portability benefit, this is where you will find that reflected. Any exemptions this property benefited from for both this year and last will be listed and highlighted in blue. The trim notice is not final, so please contact our office if you have any questions or concerns with the property value or exemptions listed on the notice. And if we are unable to resolve the issue, you may file a petition with the Value Adjustment Board by the filing deadline shown. Thank you for taking the time to get familiar with your trim notice. It is our pleasure to serve you, and we look forward to doing so.